In Lesson 2, we looked at different ways that iOS apps present multiple pages of content. We said that we'd return for a deep dive into how side-to-side navigation presentation works, and here we are. Using navigation controllers is an absolutely fundamental skill. We're also going to take one more step with UI table views and make an app that responds when a user taps a table row, an essential interaction when navigating a multi-page app.
Let's look at a few examples of side-to-side navigation. Here in the Settings app, you can see that tapping on a cell drills down into the next layer of the navigation hierarchy. The Settings app has multiple layers. Let's say I want to change my Siri settings. I tap General, and then Siri, Language, and then I can give Siri an Australian accent. I can always return to the previous view with this back button, ultimately bringing me back to the root view controller. Notice how intuitive this flow is. Users have come to expect this type of movement through a layered structure. If you take advantage of iOS UI conventions in your app design, your users won't need to be told how to find what they're looking for. Let's check out the iOS Music app. If I go into the More tab, it brings up a table of options. Then if I drill down into genres and country, eventually I can bring up the songs from my favorite show, Nashville. You can see how ubiquitous table views are in iOS apps. This action button on the right takes me to the song that's currently playing. Once in the player, this action button brings up a modal with album info. Have a close look at the nav bar. The back button and the title are standard. They're always there. The action button on the right is optional, but something you'll see frequently. How does the app know where to go when the back button is pressed? When we drill past a page of content, where does it go? In other words, what kind of state is being managed by this navigation controller? We have to figure all of this out.